That looked really good.
Oh, thank you.
Look at the cool pony you're now riding.
I know. Funny how that happens.
Funny how that happens.
Yeah.
Hi, Trouble. I know. Are you now ready? I'm ready for action
Once
now.
all the important stuff is done.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's like, I'm
It's
good.
a cucumber.
Yeah.
So I wonder where the anxiety comes from.
Yeah, I know. I know.
How do they know?
Well, it's a new environment for her too, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
She's been here.
She's been here
She's been
once.
here
Before.
once.
Yeah. Last year.
So you know, old pro.
Yeah.
But she was a different horse.
Totally.
But Emily was riding her too, so.
And again, we were saying, I think all of our energy, we all had different energy because, you know, you weren't next.
I'm a lot better. I'm at least functional this
Yeah.
time. Last time I was just totally useless. Useless. All right, I'm gonna stick her in the stall.
Yeah.